Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your doctor, teacher, driver, accountant, customer support agent, and even your personal assistant have all been replaced by AI. No waiting, no mistakes, no holidays, no salaries. Sounds like science fiction. The truth is, this future is already beginning. Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than any technology in human history. Every month, AI learns new skills that once required years of human training. But what happens when AI can perform almost every task better, faster, and cheaper than humans? Will it create a better world, or will it change society forever? Let's explore the future of AI and how it may transform human life over the next decade. Throughout history, technology has replaced physical labor. Machines replaced muscle power, computers replaced manual calculations, the internet transformed communication. But AI is different. For the first time, machines are beginning to perform tasks that require reasoning, creativity, and decision-making. AI can write articles, create videos, design products, analyze medical reports, write computer code, and even hold conversations that feel surprisingly human. What once took hours can now be completed in minutes, and this is only the beginning. Many jobs involve repetitive tasks. These jobs are the easiest for AI to automate. Customer support agents may be replaced by intelligent chatbots. Data entry positions could disappear almost entirely. Basic accounting tasks may become fully automated. AI assistants can schedule meetings, answer emails, and organize information instantly. Even creative industries are changing. AI can generate music, illustrations, video edits, and marketing content in seconds. This doesn't mean every job will vanish, but many jobs will evolve dramatically. People who learn to work with AI may become more productive than ever before. Imagine an AI system analyzing millions of medical records in seconds. It notices patterns invisible to humans. It identifies diseases earlier. It recommends personalized treatments. Future hospitals may use AI to assist doctors in diagnosis and patient care. Robotic systems may perform highly precise surgeries. Virtual health assistants could monitor patients 24 hours a day. Human doctors will still be essential, but AI could become one of the most powerful medical tools ever created. Education may become completely personalized. Every student learns differently. Some learn visually, some learn through practice, some learn faster than others. Future AI tutors could understand each student's strengths and weaknesses. Lessons may adapt in real time. Questions may be answered instantly. Students could receive one-on-one attention whenever they need it. Instead of replacing teachers, AI may allow teachers to focus more on mentoring and inspiring students. In the future, AI may manage much of our daily routine. Your AI assistant could plan your day, order groceries, book appointments, manage finances, monitor your health, and even help you make important decisions. Smart homes may automatically adjust lighting, temperature, security, and energy usage. Many tasks that consume hours today could happen automatically in the background. Life may become more convenient than ever before. But every powerful technology brings challenges. What happens if millions of jobs become automated? How will workers adapt? Who controls the AI systems making important decisions? How do we protect privacy? What happens if AI-generated information becomes impossible to distinguish from reality? These questions are becoming more important every year. The future of AI is not only a technological challenge, it is also a social, ethical, and economic challenge. Even as AI becomes more capable, humans possess qualities that remain unique: empathy, compassion, moral judgment, human relationships, purpose. AI may simulate emotions, but human connection comes from real experiences, struggles, and understanding. The future may not be humans versus AI. Instead, it may be humans working alongside AI. People who learn to use AI effectively may unlock opportunities that were impossible before. Imagine a world where diseases are detected early, traffic accidents become rare, education is available to everyone, scientific discoveries happen faster, and people spend less time on repetitive work. AI has the potential to help humanity solve some of its greatest challenges, but the choices we make today will determine how this technology shapes tomorrow. The future is not being written by AI alone, it is being written by all of us. Artificial intelligence may become one of the most influential inventions in human history. Some jobs will change, new opportunities will emerge, and society will continue to adapt. The question is not whether AI will impact our lives. The question is, are we prepared for the future it is creating? What do you think? Will AI make life better, or do you believe it will create new challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating insights into the future of technology.